Welcome back on the VST channel. Velen here. Today I'm going to be covering the Google Material UI. So Google Material UI, I'm going to be showing you guys some example, then I'm going to let you know what my opinion of this is, and then I'm going to tell you why I believe this could be the future of the user interface, or at least one of the very possible futures, so to speak. But first I want to show you something. Today is the 23rd of September, so by this point of time, already like 80% of the Google applications do support it. And you know about the Google Workspace, this is the Google Calendar, the Google Files, the Drive, the everything like the calculator. So all of this I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to start the video right now. Starting with the calculator, right? Now you can just see, guys, I have now been using this wallpaper, and you can just see my menu here, like all the quick settings, right? The toggles inside. When I go inside the quick settings, you can just see the same hue. When I try also to amp up the volume, you can just see same like purple color is utilized, right? So going inside the calculator, we're gonna get to this. Then I'm gonna go inside the camera. When I go inside and try to check some of the menus, we see about the same pattern of color, which is actually quite beautiful. This is the Google Notes. I have removed the dark theme so that you can just see all the hue lights here. So just pay attention. Every time I go into the recents menu, guys, and you're gonna see this transition. You can just see the pink color here. So I showed you the camera, showed the calculator. Let's go inside the clock. And did you pay attention? The clock was green because I've used another wallpaper. Now when you go inside, all these little details there are right now with this purple color, and just see how beautiful it is when I click here. This is the Google Photos, and you can also see in the Google Photos, you know, we have this overlay, all right? So let me just keep going. I want to show you also the other things. Inside here, this is Google Drive, right? You've seen it was green, and now it just picks up this color, and it's as simple as that. Let me just show you guys, this is Google Contacts, right? Google Contacts picking up this very nice color, right? For some reason, the messages doesn't work for me yet, so I just still have the old messages, but I just want to show you something else. I'm now going to go inside the wallpaper and style, and you can just see the menus here, and I'm going to choose a wallpaper that is drastically different. So okay, I'm just gonna go here into create culture and just choose this green one, because this green one, yeah, you see it is absolutely unique and very different from the previous one. Now pay attention, guys, the dialer also changed. This is the clock application, and as you can tell, it's been still using the old pattern. Now pay attention, I'm gonna go inside, boom, just magic happens, right? See, everything changes. I know those might appear or appeal to you like small and tiny details, but believe me, when you just take all these small pieces, they will make a very big impact. The way you use your phone. So let's just see, guys, this is the calculator. See, old style, going inside, boom, reloads very fast, and you're getting access to this new color. Same with the calendar. Let me just show you guys. Calendar right now, you know, everything adjusted to the new style. Same applies to keyboard. Let me just try to type something, guys. Inside you can just see like all these little details are now aligned. Remember in the beginning of the video I told you that I'm going to share with you what my opinion of this is, and I just think that really Google are making a very bold move. Because not only changing here these buttons, the quick toggles to be bigger, but also implementing this will really give them a fresh design start. Now you can just go inside the settings, and you can just choose a individual color that is derived from the wallpaper, all right? And you can also go and choose basic color. So let me just show you guys. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna change everything to, let's say, blue, all right? So everything will become blue, okay? And as simple as that. Now if I open all my recent applications, and let's just try to go back into the clock, boom, we are now back to this color. Let's go and now choose this one. Why I'm saying, guys, that this is gonna make a big impact? Because of the way you use your phone, everything's going to appear more fluent. Let me just show what I mean. I'm right now on the home screen, so I'm gonna go to the recents menu, and you can just see this new color now being updated everywhere. So everything you use will feel more natural. Like you wanna go inside the clock, boom, you're gonna have right now the new color. And all of this really feels very natural, like everything. Even go and press the buttons, the animation, very, very fluid. I wanna show you guys with this new toggle, camera available, camera not available, everything really is very well thought of. The only part visually I don't like is when you press the volume control, guys, and you go to expand the other controls, then you still get this old style, but I really hope the Google will change it, and even those colors here can be changed. If I would like to type something, I go inside and the Google keyboard will also be redesigned. Google camera, same. You want to go to the settings are going to be redesigned. If you want to go inside your clock, same. You're going to have this new color applied everywhere. Calculator also changed. And this indeed is the power of the new material design. Like I told you, if you look at this only piece by piece, then it would not make any drastic impact or difference. But then when you take all these pieces together and you put the big puzzle, then I think that you're gonna feel this big design impact, or at least I hope you do. If you like videos like this, you're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of the next videos. With that said, VST over and